how can you control crowds with non-lethal force? A safe and effective solution remains elusive. The street protests in Ferguson have highlighted current crowd control technology. The challenge is to disperse crowds and quell violence from a distance without harming anyone. Kinetic projectiles such as rubber bullets, sting balls or beanbag rounds can be effective at disabling violent protesters, but they can cause injury or death, especially at close range. Water cannons mounted on armoured vehicles may have difficulty keeping up with nimble rioters, and in the US, water cannons are associated with police violence against civil rights protesters. Tear gas can cover a wide area, but the gas drifts with the wind, and hardcore protesters may simply wear gas masks. Mace and OC or pepper spray can be delivered from short range, but sprayed individuals may need decontamination before they can be put in a police vehicle. The LRAD, long-range acoustic device or sonic blaster, can drive off protesters with high-intensity sound, but it may be neutralised by earplugs. The future of riot control may be the active denial system, a microwave beam causing painful but supposedly harmless heating. It has been developed by the Pentagon's Joint Non-Lethal Weapons Directorate. Advocates say active denial is safe and effective even at long range, and there are no countermeasures. But critics worry that it is not as safe as they say. The beam has never been used, apparently because of concerns over the reaction to such a weapon being turned on civilians. And there remains the technical challenge of making it small enough for city streets and cheap enough for police departments. There are other solutions. Captain Ron Johnson quietened protesters in Ferguson, at least for a while, by appearing without riot gear and relying on dialogue rather than firepower. And Sweden has a special unit known as the Dialogue Police, who are unarmed and are trained to prevent street protests from turning violent in the first place. Sometimes a charm offensive can avert the need for more drastic approaches to crowd control.
The Economist.